This channel is to provide information regarding various treatments in physiotherapy, especially the refined ones. This will help in spreading light to the unknown areas for the common man and will help young physios in exploring the unexplored areas of physiotherapy.
Women's health, especially after childbirth, is very important and has to be given prior importance above all. Hope all my videos related to postnatal health were very informative and was useful for you and you are practicing it. Now let's see the nutritional requirements so as to complete the course of treat. Breastfeeding diet should focus on retaining nutrient stores as it has an influence on quantity and quality of breast milk. Nutritional requirement is at maximum during lactation than at any other age in women's life. Hence, it has to be wisely chosen and balanced. It is very important to gradually lose weight gain during pregnancy. Use a combination of moderate physical activity and balanced diet to do so. Through this video, know about your nutritional requirements so as to stay healthy while you bring up your baby. First, let's see the nutritional guidelines. Eat small meals frequently, preferably every 3 hours. Fill half of your plate with colorful vegetables and colorful fruits. Half of the grains that you eat, make sure that it's whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat atta, etc. Take plenty of water. Minimum of 6 to 10 glasses of water is required. Other than safe drinking water, you can have fresh soup, fresh juice and coconut water. Take good quality of protein from egg, fish, chicken, etc. Vegetarians can opt for soya nuggets, paneer, low-fat cheese, tofu, and other whole grains like lentils, oats, etc. Make it sure that at least one serving of dark green leafy vegetables and fresh vegetable salads are added to your diet. Drink toned milk and milk products up to 500 ml per day for requirement of calcium. At least 18 milligram of iron is needed that you can have from dark green leafy vegetables, fortified cereals, oats, red meat, etc. Nuts, seeds, etc. are needed but in limited quantity. Then avoid intake of snacks instead of meals. Use oil in moderation and avoid intake of highly salted foods like pickles, then highly sugar contained foods, because this will hinder the absorption of iron and calcium from your food. The number one focus on breastfeeding diet should be right intake of calories. New moms need range between 1800 to 2200 calories per day. Moms need an extra of 25 milligram of proteins per day. Proteins are very important for the postpartum recovery and cell growth. It is also very important for the baby's immune system. And calcium is also very important for both mom and baby. And please do not cut dairy products if your baby is gassy, fussy or having vomiting, regurgitation, etc. It may take a couple of weeks for the baby's gut to get adjusted with the life outside the womb. Now we'll see a sample menu of 2200 calorie diet.
Here you can see a sample menu of 2200 calories. Early morning, after getting up, you can have milk 1 cup. Then for breakfast, you can have idli 3 numbers, dosa 2, veg upma 1.5 cups. Along with that, go for chutney 2 tablespoons and 1 cup sambar. Or if you're preferring chapati, can have 2 chapatis plus vegetable curry. Or whole grain breakfast cereal with milk plus 1 egg or paneer. And mid-morning, you can go for soya milk or ragi malt 150 ml plus 1 cup fruits. Lunch, start with vegetable salad 1 cup plus fulka 2 or brown rice half cups plus if you're preferring non-veg proteins, opt for lean meat or chicken, or for veg proteins, soya or paneer. And other than this, add 1 serving of green leafy vegetables and other vegetables 1 cup and curd or yogurt 100 ml. Then 3 p.m. 1 fruit plus any milk, soya milk or toned milk or buttermilk. Then evening, go for oats 2 tablespoons or ragi malt plus boiled sprouts. Then after that at 7 p.m. 1 bowl of veg soup. And please try to have dinner early between 7 to 8 and you can have fulkas or rotis 2 numbers with green leafy vegetables or other vegetables. And just before sleeping at bedtime can have 1 cup milk plus nuts 8 to 10 numbers.
Our therapeutic journey of postnatal health was very interesting for me. I hope it's the same for you. I hope it was informative and motivating for a healthy lady in you. I have given general information on diet, but if you want a personalized diet, please consult your nearby nutritionist because nutrition is also very important to become a healthy lady. Exercise regularly and be physically active. Include 45 to 60 minutes of exercise in short span. Our next journey will be on physiotherapeutic management of diabetes. Thanks for watching. Dream a healthy lady in you and work towards it being a mom.